Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix incoming call ringtone sound issues in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then scroll down and click on sounds and haptics. And here you can see the option ringtone. Click on ringtone and here you can select any ringtone, and if you want to select a classic ringtone you can select here. After select ringtone, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then increase your volume, and the second way to increase your volume, in settings, open sound and haptics, and here you can increase your volume and make sure you turn off do not disturb. If you turn on do not disturb, then turn it off. After turning off do not disturb, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, the last way to solve your problem is open settings and open general and scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone, and then click on reset and then click on reset all settings and enter your screen passcode to reset all your settings. Here it will be confirmed to reset all your settings. It will never destroy any other data like photos, videos and other data. It will only destroy all your settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.